Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I want to walk you through a fresh trade-in. This is a 2019 Boston Whaler 315 Conquest that we just took in. It is a used boat. Super loaded, underwater lighting, freshwater shower, seats throughout the boat that fold up. We have two huge fish lockers in the floor there you can see. And even your social area here has a seat that switches directions to face rearward, with a nice footrest that pulls out there below it. So while you're out there trolling, you can still interact with your captain. On the starboard side, we have a fridge up here in the cockpit, as well as a second freshwater sink for washdown. We do have one below as well. Moving up to take a look at the electronics, we've got a full Garmin system here. Twin touchscreen 12 inches, Garmin VHF built in, as well as a fusion radio system and separate Mercury vessel view for dedicated engine management information. This boat also comes equipped with joystick piloting, which not only includes the joystick docking system like others, but also includes full autopilot and skyhook. If you've never used that before, come down, try it. You'll be blown away and you'll never want to use a boat without it again. Headed downstairs for a 31-foot boat. This is a huge cabin space, nice V-berth. The table folds down easily with a push, and then you slide the cushions over to give you a lot of space to spend the weekend. Rod holders in the ceiling, lots of windows throughout, as well as a skylight that opens there for ventilation if you don't want to use the air conditioner. Moving around to port, we've got a lot of storage on the walls. A microwave, a single burner Kenyan electric stovetop, another fridge below that, and even a TV mounted to the wall on the aft side here. Underneath, on our mid berth, we have our biggest bed on the boat actually. This is almost a king size bed, just a little bit lower. And finally I want to show you guys the head here. Let's get the door opened up. Very nice size head. I'm 6'2". I can just barely stand up in there, but I can stand up at 6'2", so that should be plenty of room for most people. It is a full wet head. You pull the sink handle out there, put it up top, and you're ready to take a shower. This boat also does have a pump over macerator as well. If you guys have any other questions about this boat, or any other boat that you saw here while we were walking around, please feel free to give me a call, text, or shoot me an email anytime. My information is listed right there below. Thanks.